The day I found a dog. One day, I was walking on the street. It was a sunny afternoon. I was going to the park. Suddenly, I saw a small dog. The dog was sitting on the side of the road. It looked sad and lonely. I stopped and looked at the dog. I went to the dog slowly. The dog didn't move. I said, "Hello, little dog. Are you lost?" The dog looked at me, but it didn't bark. I patted the dog gently. It didn't run away. The dog looked at me with big eyes. I thought the dog might be hungry. I took some bread from my bag. I gave it to the dog. The dog ate the bread quickly. It wagged its tail and looked happy. I smiled and said, "You are a good dog." I decided to take the dog to the park. We walked together. The dog walked next to me. When we arrived at the park, I sat on a bench. The dog sat next to me. I looked around to see if anyone was looking for the dog. I didn't see anyone. Then I saw a poster on a wall. It was a lost dog poster. The dog on the poster looked like the dog I found. I called the phone number on the poster. The owner was very happy. She said, "Thank you. I have been looking for my dog." I took the dog to its owner. The owner was very happy. The dog was happy too. I was happy because I helped the dog. It was a good day